How to create an AI-generated video with Magic Light AI full tutorial.
First, I will use ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to create a detailed description of the gray kitten that I like. Next, generate a story. Here is my prompt. And then open Magic Light website and sign in. I choose the standard plans. Next, select AI character. Create a name, select a gender, category, and age. For category, if you want to create an animal, choose Answer. And then select character style. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the character that you generated. Check it again and edit it before submitting. You can also upload the character's photo. I uploaded a photo of a gray cat. Here is an AI-generated cat image. Next, create a story. Select a story or video, then it will show this page. Choose your aspect ratio, video language, and style. Then after that, place the cat story that was generated by ChatGPT on the basic script. Magic Light AI will break down the story into the short. Next, select My Character tab. Choose two cats. The first one is an orange cat named Pumpkin. And then enter a cat name, select voiceover, gender and age. Next, select the second character or the gray cat. Its name Luna. Next, storyboard. First, AI will generate the cats that are not from my character, so I have to change them in each scene or each shot. It will show you the option to edit your dashboard, but I will skip it. Next, adding my own characters to each scene. For making characters consistency. Next, make sure the character is consistent. If not, then regenerate it. Regenerating the image is free. You can do it till you are satisfied with the result. Next, control the consistency by editing the prompt. Use @symbol and follow it by the name. It will indicate the character that I created. Okay, I want to try voice over.
Beside him,
You can change to
a soft gray tabby with
woman
striking
voice.
blue eyes, leaped gracefully to join the fun.
Next, I will show you how to delete or duplicate each scene. Next, adding a new scene. By editing the prompt, I want to show the two cats walking in the garden. Here it is. Again, make sure your characters are consistent and the description below the image matches. Next, animate your images. There are choices for you. I chose the cheapest one for saving my credits. Oh, it looks perfect. I love it. Next, adding the camera position to the prompt. Here is the camera's position list. Next, the final step is to select color setting, subtitle, and music. Then click Generate.
In the cozy sunlit living room, an orange-furred cat named Pumpkin pounced playfully at a dangling feather. Beside him, Luna, a soft gray tabby with striking blue eyes, is watching him. Beside him, Luna leaped gracefully to join the fun, their tails flicking in rhythm. They eagerly await the arrival of another bowl. Pumpkin checks if there's any food left, and Luna taps to indicate that it's empty. Let's go for a walk next. Pumpkin and Luna stroll together in the garden, side by side. They are chasing the butterflies. Twilight cuddles, content.
If you don't like the result, you can always go back and edit it by clicking the back button. Okay, then generate it again.
In the cozy sunlit living room, an orange-furred cat named Pumpkin pounced playfully at a dangling feather. Beside him, Luna, a soft gray tabby with striking blue eyes, is watching him. Luna leaped gracefully to join the fun, their tails flicking in rhythm. They eagerly await the arrival of another bowl. Pumpkin checks if there's any food left, and Luna taps to indicate that it's empty. Let's go for a walk next. Pumpkin and Luna stroll together in the garden, side by side. At the garden, Pumpkin and Luna enjoy walking and sitting, surrounded by butterflies. They're captivated by the fluttering creatures and want to catch them. Pumpkin and Luna exchange a glance and decide it's time to go to sleep and cuddle. Pumpkin lay down on the sofa and rested, Luna curling beside him. She rested quietly, but stayed close, her body curved along his side.
I have created various styles of AI video stories. Feel free to visit my social media websites. My AI generated videos are now available on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Lemonade. I will leave the links below.
Enchanted forest, a tiny angel with glittering wings. Morning light filtered through the tall evergreens, glinting off his...
In a quiet corner of the forest, hidden beneath the roots of a tall oak tree, lived Tony.
An adorable orange tabby kitten prances through the grass, chasing a butterfly. In a cozy woolen house stitched from soft yarn lived Remy. Mira was not your ordinary 8-year-old. While some kids liked superheroes or fairies, Mira was... In the sun-drenched living room, Luna, Let's make a magical strawberry prompt. Code Cat, our fun teacher, and Bit, the robot friend, are back.
Code Cat. Hey
If
there,
you
Screen.
like them,
I'm Code
please
Cat.
subscribe and share.
Bit, beep.
Thank you for
Ready to make
watching.